Okay, well, I know we got some
Yes.
mind-blowing
Yes.
heart sounds and hair tests.
Okay, so here we'll start with the heart sound. Okay, so this is the before.
We had a before heart sound recorder. So here, we'll just look. Let's just pick one of these right here. Let's see here. Okay. So I guess it's a little hard, but you see, you don't want all that little noise there. If you compare that to this one, that's darn near perfect on several of those valves there. So works hard, pauses, opens. So like doing a bicep curl. So you pull the weight up nice and strong. You hold it for a moment. You let it down, and then you rest. So that's what it should be. It shouldn't be all this noise here. You see all these extra long and wide. That's like doing a bicep curl where you're like, you can't get it up. Well, your heart's a muscle. Okay, it's the most important muscle in the body. So this is just dramatically better. And the only difference is working on mitochondria. Well, there's 2,000 mitochondria in one heart cell. 2,000. It's kind of a bicep would have like 500 mitochondria. The heart has 2,000. So if you get the mitochondria healthier, all of a sudden the heart has energy to lift the weight, pause, drop it down. Lift the weight, pause, drop it down. So dramatic, just like goosebumps. And here it didn't even, we had no what's called missing a second sound. It was so weak, it just dropped the weight. It just kind of went, instead of just like, so that's a nerve issue too. It's just not signaling well. And B vitamins are required for your nervous system. That's why people deficient in B vitamins, not only do they not get energy from their food, they get tired after they eat, but then they're depressed because they're missing B vitamins. So that was like goosebumps. I mean, this person just got, well, these are just made up numbers, but 10 years younger, 20, a lot. Like, say, how old was that person? No, that's their heart rate, 59. Date of birth? No. Oh, I see, we didn't have it in there. Who was that? Was it a young person? Oh, yeah, you can write it down. Who was that? Oh, okay, Steve. That's not his real name. And he's probably in his 60s.
Yes.
Wow, and his blood pressure. Wow. Anyway, okay, that's really exciting.
Okay.